the Sunnah of yawning. As we all know, say this Islam, it covers so many things for our life, which one of them we talk about yawning. We still get etiquettes and manners of yawning. Amongst the manners of yawning, the Sunnah of yawning, the first be say you go try as much as possible make you hold down, make you never yawn at first, and make you no use the yawning to make noise. The Prophet Muhammad talk for Sahih al-Bukhari, Hadith 3289. He say yawning are from shaitan, and if any of now one yawn, make it try to hold them back as much as possible. For if any of now make that noise for yawning, say shaitan go dey laugh. Second one be say make we suppress yawning even for prayer. Prophet Muhammad talk for Sahih Muslim, Hadith 2994. He say yawning for prayer now from shaitan, and if any person they yawn, make it try as much as possible, make it suppress them. Another one be say if we dey yawn, we dey use our hand to cover our mouth. For Sunnah Abi Dawud, Hadith 5026. Also for Sahih Al-Bani, Prophet Muhammad talk. He say if any of na dey yawn, make you use your hand cover the mouth, for devil they enter inside mouth. So make we dey try, make we dey keep all these ethics. Make we dey cover our mouth, make we no dey try to use the yawning to make noise. And make we also take note. It gets something where they rampant where we say if they yawn, the same you say house with regime. This act no get basis. You no get where it for any authentic sunnah. So make we take heed, make we only they do what the Prophet Muhammad tell us more do and what he do. Make we try as much as possible to follow his sunnah. Wa akhir da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.